Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in. We're gonna try a new design here. It's an iPhone speaker holder thing. So I'm gonna load it up here, as you can see, and then I'm gonna check it out. That looks a bit big, might be too big for my 3D printer. I have the VoxLab Aries, but I'll probably shrink it down. I'm just gonna try to get it vertical here first and see if I can level it on there and then shrink it down a bit so it doesn't take too long. When you're making stuff this big, it tends to take like 10 hours, which I kind of want it sooner. But I'm gonna put on the platform, center it, see if I can get it fully on the platform. So you can see if you twist the item around, you can see the bottom, see if there's any blue showing. Kind of shows it's kind of going through the platform. Sometimes when you shrink it and you pull it up a bit, you can add support. Sometimes supports will be below it, but you really don't want that. It's a waste. So if you can level it as best, then that'd be perfect. But and then trying to just get it flat on that surface can be difficult. But this is just an odd shape, so we'll make do with what we have, and I'll just shrink it a little bit, or a lot. But anyhow, we'll shrink it a bit, and then we'll check out which supports are going to work best. But as you can see there, that's pretty good size. Hopefully my iPhone fits. So we'll check out some supports. As you can see, the linear supports, they work pretty well. They're easy to come off, that's why those work well. And then there's tree-like supports that you can check out as well. Sometimes I don't like those simply because removing the pieces can be difficult. It attaches to different spots and it leaves little markings. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, I don't know. I'm still playing with it as we go. But I'll stick with the linear supports. I'll remove those. But as you can see, as this close up here, you can see how they're spread out there. So let's go to linear supports. Hit OK. Auto does it where it needs it. I just leave it at that. I don't even try to put my own manually or anything like that. So everything's good there. I haven't changed anything. Everything's been working fine. Haven't had any issues. So I'll just click OK, then save it to my USB VoxLab thingy there, or my drive, sorry. Click OK, and then we'll see how it comes out. I think this one's gonna take around 6.5 hours. And we'll see how it comes out after that. Hopefully it's big enough for my iPhone. All right, well, thanks for tuning in, and we'll check it out.